Welcome. If you've ever wanted your Facebook page to look its best, getting your cover photo perfectly positioned is key. Today, I'm going to walk you through the latest, simplest way to reposition your cover photo using the Facebook app on your PC. This method is based on the new Facebook update, designed to make things even easier and more precise. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app or visit facebook.com on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages your page. Next, at the very top of the page, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open your profile options. This acts as your main navigation point throughout Facebook's interface. From here, find and select the page you want to update. Once you're on your page, look towards the top where your cover photo sits, stretching across your page like a banner. Hover your mouse over the cover photo, and you'll notice a small camera icon appears on the top right corner. Click on this camera icon. A drop-down menu will pop up, giving you several options. Click on the option labeled Reposition. Now you're ready to make your adjustments. Simply click and drag the cover photo to move it up or down. This allows you to display exactly the part of the image you want to feature, whether it's highlighting a brand logo, a special event, or just tidying up the overall look of your page. Once you're happy with the new position, look for the Save Changes button and click it. Your freshly positioned cover photo is set and will be visible to everyone who visits your page. That's all it takes. With just a few quick steps, opening Facebook, clicking your profile photo, heading to your page, using the camera icon on your cover photo, selecting Reposition, making your edits, and saving changes, you can keep your page looking sharp and up to date with the latest Facebook update. Thanks for watching.